Hey guys, this is Felix, and today yet again I'm going to review another affiliate network platform. As always, I'm going to go point by point, bullet by bullet, talking about perks and features of this affiliate network. This review is going to be particularly beneficial for affiliate marketers who specialize in health and beauty niche. dr.cash is one of the top affiliate programs that has over 6 years of experience in working with Nutra niche around the world. At the moment, more than 2,000 offers in 50 niches for human beauty and health in 200 countries. dr.cash knows how the market works, all current trends and directions. It recommends best conditions on market, including favorable rates of new offers and regions, exclusive offers for specific countries, and offers custom funnels with ready-made translations and landing pages for any region and accept traffic from any source. dr.cash also takes care and helps new affiliates by publishing useful materials, which is very, very important, on working with the vertical traffic and technical part on dr.cash blog, which is right over here. Okay, and let's get on to this. Okay, and for those who prefer the video format, there's a YouTube channel which I will leave a link under this video in the description box, where a user can also find a lot of valuable information to work with. Another perk of this affiliate network is that managers are online 24/7 and will help you with any question and technical part and tell you what to drive traffic to and what now gives a big conversion in any region. All right. Let's talk about some of the bullet points that I prepared. Things that a lot of affiliate marketers are asking first. How are their payouts working on dr.cash? So dr.cash has fast on-demand payouts up to twice per day with a minimum payments of $10. Also, dr.cash works with all tier countries, meaning dr.cash works with North America, South America, Europe, South Asia, and all the countries that are out there. Okay. So dr.cash uses various payment system, or rather say all modern payment system for payouts: WebMoney, Kiwi, PayPal, Capitalist, and many, many more. It works with different verticals and niches. dr.cash has been working in Nutra vertical for more than 6 years. Also has exclusive low price and zero price model offers. More than 50 niches of products in the field of beauty and health are available, such as weight loss, anti-aging, cosmetics, and more. So it works with different type of traffic. Accepts traffic from any source according to the affiliate's choice. You can drive traffic from Facebook, Google, native. If you have your own blogs, you can write an article, a blog post, and stuff like that. One of the notable features of dr.cash, it offers lending and pre-lending in dr.cash ranked by popularity and show fair approval rate on pay-per-click platforms, meaning if you go to Google ads, Facebook ads, we all know they're very finicky about the stuff that you put in there. And a lot of times they may not approve or outright ban you if they don't like something. So dr.cash will make sure that the landing page that you use are going to be compatible with those platforms. Commission types. dr.cash works with following commissions: CPA, cost per action, and CPL, cost per lead. And as I said before, payout frequencies, dr.cash makes payments up to two times a day with a minimum threshold of $10. And another very important thing that dr.cash has on their platform, it's a traffic software. Okay, tracking software. This tracking software is an in-house high-tech platform with a very simple and intuitive interface with the ability to work in real time. So in order to start using this platform, you're going to have to click on a button right over here. It says join us. Once you click on that button, you are going to need to provide as much information as possible, the information that they ask you for, so they would determine your level of experience in affiliate marketing. After your approval, you would be assigned to an account manager who would help you with initial setting of your account, and they're going to show you around the platform, even recommending you best offers with the maximum payouts at your current level of your affiliate marketing experience. So basically, in essence, this is it. And in my opinion, this is a great affiliate marketing platform. It's very easy to work with for new affiliate marketers because of the account management accounts manager that are going to be assigned to new affiliate marketers, and they will make sure that you understand how this platform works. We'll give you all sorts of tricks and hints to work with, and therefore I would say that's a yay from me. Okay, now assuming that you are a new affiliate marketer and maybe you haven't done anything before and still kind of on the fence whether you wanted to do it or not, because you really don't know what it's all about, or maybe you are an affiliate marketer for a while but don't really have anything to show for it, I have this favorite strategy that I use to get to 5 to 10K a month, and it's pretty easy, pretty easy. I'm going to throw a link under this video, and I would like you to go and check this out and try to apply the information that I get available for you. Okay, so